In today's video, we are going to discuss how to turn on your Insignia TV without a remote. Make sure to watch the entire video for a more detailed exploration of this topic. Here are the possible ways to turn on an Insignia TV without a remote. First, you can use the power button located on the TV panel. Make sure to check out YouTube's recommended products on the screen or down in the description, as they are related to this video and may provide you with extra help with what's been discussed so far. They are usually quite cheap and are unique to this video, so it might be worth checking out. Anyway, back to the tutorial. Control app on your smartphone. Start by activating the TV using the power button on the TV's panel. Then, download the appropriate app, the Amazon Fire TV app for Insignia Fire TV or the Roku app for Insignia Roku TV. To use your smartphone as a remote, ensure both your TV and smartphone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and that you are signed into the same account on both devices. Once these steps are completed, you will have successfully powered on your Insignia TV without a remote. Thanks for watching, and until next time.